Hello guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. So guys, I was doing one connection, I can say connection with MongoDB, and which I was doing locally guys in my operating system. So that time I got error guys. Okay, so you can see guys, I was getting this error, that is MongoDB connect error, Mongoose service selection error, connection refusal. Okay, it was not connecting with my this MongoDB guys. Okay, this is my compass I have used here, so it was not connecting with that, so I was getting the error guys. Okay, so I have spent lot of time guys for this, to solve this error. Okay, but I forgot to record that video, the solving and all, but I'll tell the solution guys. Whatever the solution I tried and which is not work and which is work, that I'll tell you guys. Okay, so which will save your time. Okay, but I have copied this error that time while solving, so I'm showing you guys this. Okay, so here it was not connecting with my MongoDB, and you can see guys, here is my API file. You can see here, you can